Hey travelers! Do you hate waiting in long airport security lines? Want to keep your shoes, belt and jacket on while breezing through TSA? Well, TSA PreCheck is the game changer you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step application process and share pro tips to get approved fast. Let's jump in. So what exactly is TSA PreCheck? It's a program by the Transportation Security Administration that allows pre-approved travelers to use an expedited security lane at U.S. airports. No need to remove your shoes, belt, light jacket, laptop, or liquids. Shorter lines. Most passengers get through in under 5 minutes. Over 200 airports and 90 airlines participate. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get you signed up. Before you apply, let's make sure you qualify for TSA PreCheck. You must be a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. You must pass a background check with no serious criminal history. If you travel often, it's a must-have. If that sounds like you, here's how to apply. Now let's go through the application process step by step. Step 1. Visit the official TSA PreCheck website at tsa.gov/precheck. Step 2. Click Apply Now and fill out your personal info, name, address, and travel history. Step 3. Pay the $78 non-refundable fee, which covers you for 5 years. Step 4. Schedule an in-person appointment at an enrollment center near you. There are over 500 locations including many airports. Step 5. At your appointment, bring your passport or driver's license and birth certificate. You'll also get fingerprinted. Step 6. Wait for approval. Most applicants get a known traveler number or KTN within 3 to 5 days, but it can take up to 60 days. Once you're approved, you'll receive a known traveler number, or KTN. Make sure to add this to your airline frequent flyer profiles so you can use TSA PreCheck every time you fly. Now that you know how to apply, here are some pro tips to make the process even easier. First, some credit cards like Amex Platinum and Chase Sapphire Reserve reimburse the $78 fee. So, check your benefits. Second, if you fly internationally often, consider global entry. It includes TSA PreCheck plus expedited customs clearance. And third, families, listen up. Kids under 12 can use the TSA PreCheck lane for free when traveling with an approved parent. One last thing, TSA PreCheck doesn't apply to every airport security lane, so always check your boarding pass to make sure it's on there. And that's it. Now you're ready to fly stress-free with TSA PreCheck. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips. Question of the day. Do you already have TSA PreCheck or are you applying soon? Let me know in the comments. Safe travels and see you in the fast lane.